Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to flip image in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. We can click Start using Photopea. After starting Photopea, we can go to File folder and I drag and drop an image into Photopea to open the image. To flip image, we can go to Image and then we can find Transform. We can find flip horizontally and we can find flip vertically. This is how we can flip overall image. If we want to flip the layer, we can go to Edit. And firstly, I use Transform to show it clearly. I transform to this scale and then we can go to Edit again and Transform. And then we can find flip horizontally and flip vertically. This is for flipping the layer. I click it so we can flip the layer. So this is how we can flip image in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Ian. See you in the next video.